Hey guys, what's going on and welcome back to our channel. Imagine how it would be if you had to carve a sheet of wood with your bare hands. Having the necessary woodworking tools opens up ways in which you can do multiple things. With the advancement in technology, today it's very easy to perform complex woodworking projects since the tools and machines have become more powerful and effective. Every year, there are so many tools needed for woodworking. Let's look at the line of best woodworking tools and machines that everyone must see. Number 3. Portamate PM8000. Want a miter saw but short on working space? Now this could be an actual problem if you don't have enough space but require a saw stand. For a short working space, Portamate PM8000 could be your best tool for all your needs. This amazing miter saw stand provides you extra working space along with saving your workspace when it's no longer needed. It comes with a foldable table which can be packed after use. Due to its effectiveness in so many things, it's one of the best woodworking tools out there. The table comes with a compact size of 31 by 29 inches, which helps it to fit in almost any workshop. It can expand to provide up to 7 feet of working surface, which is enough to work on anything that you wish to. This foldable space is best for you in a small working place. Another feature allows you to fit any miter saw up to 26.5 inches wide into the Portamate PM8000, which can cut through any piece of wood you wish. The adjustable tool tables are a real comfort for you to work properly. These tables raise to a height of miter saw from 2 to 4.5 inches, giving you proper space for you working. The stand comes with 10-inch wheels that easily roll a porta-cube around the workshop so you can put it anywhere you like and after use, put it back. The Portamate PM8000 is ideal for miter saws, benchtop planers, or other power tabletop tools and can fit through a standard 32-inch door opening, so it's your best choice. This has been a customer favorite due to the features it carries. It is made working easier with the comfort that any woodworker requires. If you have a small workshop, then you should bring it home now to save your time and space. Number 2. Festool CD48E HEPA Dust Extractor. The major problem that any carpenter faces is dust. Working on wood is a dusty job and you cannot be too careful to avoid that. You can use tips and tricks to keep your workplace clean, but when does one get perfection? That's why you need to consider the Dust Extractor by Festool. Dust control is an integral part of the Festool system and design philosophy. Festool has always brought you effective tools for you to enjoy working on your projects. The CT48 is equipped with tool-triggered auto-start functionality so that when you plug your device into the supplied outlet socket, the vacuum cycles with the tool. This tool offers perfection in dust extraction with less energy consumption, less noise, and great work. It also contains a feature of variable suction force that allows you to regulate the suction based on your tasks. This is better for a router, as a small detail sander may not require the full 137 CFM of this unit, but a router may require it. This unit comes with a vacuum bag that doesn't let the particles form a cake that reduces suction. Further optimization is achieved in this dust extraction tool by keeping a low profile, flat top design that allows the CT top to double as a tool rest. A parking brake can even be locked to prevent roll-off or drifting. This device contains enough power to clean off a workshop. The level stop technology makes it possible for water cleaning and shuts down the CT48 if the water level is enough to cause a short circuit. This tool has made working easier with its amazing design and performance. There is no doubt in the performance of this work, so you need to get it right now. Keeping your workplace clean is a necessary thing to do because no one can work in a dirty place. Buying this great product can have a great impact on making your workplace clean and helping you work better. Number 1. Wen 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. When you're working with wood to create something amazing, you have to be focused. Cutting usually requires focus, and sometimes that electronic saw of yours might irritate you because it's heavy and sometimes misses the correct position. But what if your scroll saw could cut in 2 different directions? This would make working easier now, wouldn't it? Get the ease that you require and the most intricate and artful cuts with the WEN 16-inch variable speed 2-direction scroll saw. This scroll saw is truly a comfort for woodworkers because of the features it carries. Its 9 to 16-inch stroke can be seen through hardwoods up to 2 inches thick. You can adjust the speed anywhere from 550 to 1600 strokes per minute with the simple turn of a knob. It has a cast iron base that prevents vibration and walking during operation, while the spacious 16 by 11 inch table bevels up to 45 degrees for an angle cut, which is truly a real comfort. It also contains an adjustable air pump that clears sawdust from your work area to give you a clear line of vision as you cut, allowing you to work with perfection. The saw also has a hold-down foot clamp that helps in keeping your project in one place for smooth and perfect cutting. The adjustable light helps you to even work in the dark perfectly and can be adjusted anywhere that you want it to. The amazing blade holder allows working with all types of blades, making it possible to work perfectly without the fear of ruining your work. The adjustment of the blade holder completely depends on the kind of blades you use. For pin blades, simply pop the pins out of the front holder and turn the blade 90 degrees. Now, after adjustment, your cuts are no longer confined by the 16-inch throat of the scroll saw. Other than that, the removable pinless blade holder design tightly grips the blades and doesn't let them slip during the operation you're performing. This amazing scroll saw comes with a 2-year warranty from WEN. As a product, this scroll saw is the best choice for different woodworkers. It's a customer favorite as well because it can give you everything required to get a perfect cutting from different angles. Woodworking is a great hobby and also a passionate profession. Having the best woodworking tools at your workplace opens up a lot of opportunities for you. Convenience in work is what everyone demands, so it would be great to get these products right away so that you can work perfectly without any problems. Let us know your thoughts about this in the comments section below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this in the future. Until next time, guys, take care and goodbye.